Okay. Bring the cover and cover the design. Don't forget it, please. Make sure you fix it the way you lose it. Be careful the way you tie the screw so that you will not wash it or spoil anything. Okay, the fan is ready now. This is how you connect it. Brown brown to the red of the capacitor. Then you will look for wire and extend this particular wire, because I don't want it to follow the way it was before, because they didn't couple it that way very well. Okay. This wire will not work for us. Let's look for a very good wire. Make sure you put this bolt, the cross pin. After putting the pipe, you put the cross pin. Now fix the power cable together. Make sure you tight it very well. Okay. Let's test it and see. Can you see? Okay guys, let's test it. Now we have finished copying. Let's test and see how it's going to work. Can you see? We can see it. It's working now very fine, no noise. It's steaming very well. Can see the speed, it's rotating very well. Please like, share and subscribe. Please let's know your opinion on the comment section so that we will be able to post video concerning your opinions. Please, thank you very much.